Look. Look at this. Ta-da! Here's my box. Oh my god, it's finally here. Just imagine they left it on our doorstep, and if they only knew what's in there, it's like a over 1,200 worth of a product. So I was so nervous that, but I'm happy that it came. Ta-da. So, all right, let's do the unboxing now. I'm excited. In the flap, and I'm so excited. I got it. Oh, I'm excited because my phone right now has a broken screen, so I had to replace it with this one. And what I got is the 256 gigabyte, and I'm happy. All right, so let's open this one now. Well, it has a flap. Ta-da! All right, and the plastic. We don't need this anymore. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Well, I bought the silver one. Look. And here it is. That's the camera over there. And I got this silver, and it really is like a matte finish. It's pretty. Yeah, it's like a frosted glass here. So nice. Look, it's a little heavier than my big Plus. So I am thrilled. I'm excited to use this now. Ta-da! And it also comes with this as usual, and a sticker. And this is what I am actually, I always say actually, right? This is what I am interested into, the fast charger. There we go. And then the earphones, but I have my AirPods too, so this, stays in the box. And the cable. No more. So that's it for the, how much did I pay for this one? It's like over 1,200 for a 256 iPhone 11 Pro Max. But I'm happy. Like this. And this is a little thicker too. It's a little thicker, and that's why it's a little heavier, because of the extra 5-hour battery life for this thing. So I'm happy. Got what I wanted. And as for this one, ta-da! And then, of course, you have this thing here that opens up for your SIM card. So that's good. Put it back.